This review article is on intestinal damage, inflammation, and microbiota alteration during COVID infection. Now, those ever important ACE2 receptors are highly expressed in intestinal cells, where the virus can infect and replicate in these gut epithelial cells, causing gastrointestinal symptoms like diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and anorexia. Furthermore, the COVID virus can cause gut-blood barrier damage with an alteration in gut microbiota, intestinal cell injury, intestinal vessel thrombosis leading to malabsorption, malnutrition, and an increase in disease severity and mortality with short and long period sequelae, which just means short and long-term effects. Now, between 17 and 53% of patients with COVID-19 developed gastrointestinal symptoms. In a cross-sectional survey on more than 85,000 patients, more than 50% of patients reported acid reflux and heartburn. Importantly, the use of glucocorticoids in IBD-related treatment seems to exacerbate the effects of COVID infection. So people with a COVID infection that need this treatment should have the lowest dose needed to achieve a clinical result. Due to the gastrointestinal inflammation, it's believed that diarrhea may be related to the effects of these damaged small intestine cells, which impacts intestinal secretions, permeability, and a subsequent change in absorption of fluid. Intestinal hypoxia from those microthrombi that develop, which can actually increase the expression of ACE2 receptors, which causes even more inflammation and a worsening progression of disease. In the intestines, calprotectin has been used as a valuable tool in diagnosing diseases such as inflammatory bowel disease through serum and plasma samples. So this is something that could be used to help sort of define long COVID with gastrointestinal predominance, where calprotectin levels higher than 24.1 milligrams per liter is correlated with a severe COVID disease state. And importantly, it seems that the use of probiotics results in a more rapid decrease in inflammatory markers like calprotectin and C-reactive protein. And this is important because patients' natural gut microbiota seem to be severely damaged after and during a COVID infection. And there's still a lot of debate going on if this is directly due to the COVID infection or if this is sort of an opportunistic disease event because of the COVID infection. But regardless of its cause or a subsequent event, intestinal permeability and microbiota are really important because they help to facilitate the absorption of nutrients. And it's been shown that supplementation with probiotics in COVID patients can improve not only GI symptoms like diarrhea, but also cough, headache, in support of the gut-lung axis, specifically with lactobacillus and bifidobacterium.